Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the STRIKER Cast app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The STRIKER Cast app is designed to work with Garmin's portable sonar device, STRIKER Cast, turning your smartphone into a powerful fish finder. Through the app, anglers can view real-time sonar readings, including fish locations, water depth, and temperature. It also supports GPS mapping, contour creation, waypoint saving, and allows you to review historical sonar data for planning future fishing trips. When it comes to performance, many users appreciate the detailed sonar images, intuitive interface, and ability to customize sonar views. The app makes fishing more strategic by letting you mark hotspots, track depth changes, and even share your catches with friends. The offline access to saved maps also adds value for remote fishing spots. However, the app has its limitations. It requires the Garmin STRIKER Cast sonar device to unlock most of its features, so without the hardware, it's almost unusable. Some users also mention occasional connectivity drops between the phone and sonar. Additionally, for casual anglers, the learning curve of interpreting sonar data might feel overwhelming at first. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the STRIKER Cast app may be worth it if you're an angler looking for a reliable, portable sonar companion with advanced mapping and fish-finding features. Its strengths are accuracy, customizability, and integration with Garmin's ecosystem. However, if you don't own the hardware or prefer a simpler fishing assistant, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.